Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's video is how to see who visits your Instagram profile. So let's find who visits your Instagram profile. Now, if you're curious if maybe your crush visits your Instagram profile, or a friend or a relative, a significant other, and any of those things, I'll show you how to find that out. So hop into Instagram here and we'll lay a bit of a trap to determine if somebody is on your profile or sees your profile. So we'll tap the profile at the bottom right and then the three lines at the top right. And let's choose settings here and then we will choose account and tap on account. Now if you scroll down to the bottom, it says switch to a professional account. Go ahead and switch over to a professional account so that you'll be able to see all these analytics and insights associated with a story on your profile or a story highlight. So switch to a professional account. Doesn't really matter what you choose there, it's all free. So once you've done that, we're gonna tap home at the bottom left here and awareness tab to create a story. So I'm going to tap that. I'm just going to choose a random photo. It doesn't really matter what you choose. Hit the next arrow at the bottom right. Now here is if you suspect somebody is viewing your profile and you want to just see if they are viewing it, you can switch to close friends here. And let's say I'm curious if this person is visiting my profile, so I can hit share here and done. Now this will share my story only visible and to her, and but I can also tap my profile at the bottom right, and then where it says highlights I can tap the plus to create a new highlight, and I will choose the one that I just posted and then hit next and add. So now that I've done that, I have that highlight on my profile. So if I just tap on it and I can swipe up and it'll show me all of the insights, exactly who has seen this specific highlight, and basically it'll tell me if this person has viewed my profile and viewed this highlight. Most likely, if they're checking out your profile, they'll see that you have a new highlight. They'll check it out and you'll be able to see def- definitively if they're checking out and viewing your profile. Oh, I hope this video helped you. And if this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.